Welcome to our quick guide on changing your Twitter username. Whether you're rebranding or just in the mood for a change, we've got you covered. Your Twitter username or handle is your identity on the platform. It's how people find you and interact with you. There could be many reasons why you might want to change your username. Maybe it no longer reflects your brand, or you're looking for a fresh start. Changing your Twitter username is simple and can be done in a few steps. Let's walk through the process together. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Twitter account on the app or website. Go to Settings and Privacy. Click on your profile icon to access the menu, then select Settings and Privacy. Access account information. In the Settings menu, find and click on Account Information. You may need to enter your password again for security purposes. Change username. Here, you'll see the option to change your username. Enter your new desired username. If it's available, you'll be able to proceed. Save changes. Once you're happy with your new username, just hit save, and your changes will be applied immediately. Remember, changing your username will not affect your existing followers, direct messages, or replies. However, make sure to update your new username wherever you've shared it publicly. And that's it! You've successfully changed your Twitter username. Enjoy your new identity on Twitter. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides. See you in the next video.